Today's Hot Wheels US M case unboxing is brought to you by A&J Toys. There's the website, andjtoys.com. That is where this US case came from. There's my knife. You can hear me cutting it up here. I'm a little up close on my new setup. I'm still figuring it out. But yeah. So M-Case has been out for a while. A lot of you have opened up bins. I don't know if we've seen it at Targets. We've definitely seen it at Walmart. I've seen it too. Ended up buying a couple extra Audis, just the standard Audi because I'm such a big fan of it. But let's go ahead and open this up and have a look at what is in the US case. I will try and recognize the regular treasure hunt if it is in here. But we start with the Mad Props. We go to the Fiat 500 and the Hover and Out, which I believe is a new model. In the US cards, you can see new for 2018. That doesn't show up on the regular cards, on the international cards. There is the 70 Chevelle SS in green, fourth color, Fast Forward Ray color in white, and then from the racing team, the Pontiac Firebird, which we haven't seen in forever. That big casting. All right, two of the Batman animated series, and then one of the Sandivore. Got some sports cars here. Love the BMW M2 in red. Also love the Nissan Fairlady in Z. Also love the recolor of the Porsche 917 LH in white, the Gulf colors. We've seen a lot of those, I believe. I don't know if those are all new to that case. I'm not entirely sure. Skate Brigade. We've seen that a while, but I love the use of the new aero wheels. And then the Turbot, and then the Solar Reflex. This is, by the way, Steve Caballeros. I hope I said that right. I don't know if it says on the back. It doesn't. But his truck, I can't show you behind, but his truck is in the new Hot Wheels shop trucks from Car Culture. That's his shop truck. This is the regular treasure hunt. Look at it, I recognized it. It is the Quick Bite. Not bad. Notice that it's a little different. They've done this one as a Deadpool car in entertainment, which I found recently. Took some photographs of that. Maybe I'll put it up in the Lamley as a Lamley daily feature. Bulletproof, and then the Pagani Huayra. Okay, two more of the Fairlady Z's, which is interesting. So that's three in this case. Popular car, but that might be a little too much. And then the Mach Speeder. Bogzilla. Bone Shaker. So this is the... I don't think anyone has found the Bone Shaker as a chase. I think it was only a chase, the ultimate chase in the... What was that? The L case? And then there's the King Kudu, which is also the L case Super. There's those together. All right, HW450F, 49 Ford F1, and the Velocita. I think all recolors, right? Two of the Corvette, Grand Sport Roadster, and then the 07 Ford Mustang. All right, there's the Audi. Motosaurus is on top of it. There's the Audi. That's the star of this case. Also a Super, one of the rare debuting as a Super, but this is obviously not the Super. I pulled it from the international case. Can't expect it to pull it twice now, can we? So there you go. Two of the Audis in that case. One of the best castings of the year, I think. Okay, Tesla Model X in gray. And then the 69 Camaro Z8. We've seen this recolored in black already. If you watch the quick case report, that's recolored in the P case. All right. Two of the Mercedes AMG GT. Fast Master. I made a mess behind. You don't see that, but I did. Backdrafter. High Beam, and then the very cool Lamborghini Huracan LP 620-2 Super Trofeo. Recolor of the Fiesta. Oh, that's just a big pile of Fords, of small Ford cards. Two Fiesta and a Focus RS. Another great model debuting in the M case is the Dodge D100. And then, of course, the Mustang GT convertible. Another Bogzilla, Corvette Stingray, Spectre. Most of this is pretty standard, right? 32 Ford, there's the Chevelle. Two of the GoPro cars, the Zoom In. I actually have the GoPro camera now. I'm going to try and do some fun stuff with it. Street Stealth. You can hear my dog saying hi. 2010 Camaro SS and the Rally Cat. Shark Bite, a very clear high roller, and there is the DMC DeLorean. Love it with those wheels. Volkswagen Beetle and the Ford F-150 2009. And to finish off, two Humvees and a time shifter, and what it looks like two Honda Civics in blue, the recolor in blue, and the Electrek. All right, that's your US M case. In Walmarts now, in Target soon, I am assuming. Go look for it. Go find something. Go find something cool, because that Audi Super is worth getting. Mine, as you know, because I found it in the international case. Still can't get over that. Right? Should I let it go? I'll let it go. Thanks, everybody. Bye.